right, so this seminar is all about how to get better eyes for our clients' movement. Let's take a look at Sheila's setup here as she begins the first test.
So standing comfortably with their feet underneath their hips.
What are some movement implications you can think of in the gym for someone with limited shoulder abduction? Do you guys have any ideas?
Kettlebell swings.
Exactly. Anytime someone is pulling anything off of the floor, this test is going to be the first one.
What does it mean when your client feels tension behind the knee?
Focusing on pro knee flexion, this is where we start. Does that answer your question? This test will really inform all the ways we can help our clients.
You now have the tools to start finally understanding what are some of the root causes of my clients' movement dysfunctions, struggles, aches, pains, and frustrations.
Hey coach, are you tired of seeing your members struggle with the same aches and pains that they have had for years?
Do you wish that you could do more for them than you've been able to?
If you answered yes to both of those questions, then you are finally ready to turn your passion for fitness into a legitimate career.
We have good news for you. It's possible to do so, and the world needs you to do it now more than ever.
In our seminar, you're going to learn to assess your clients so that you can stop guessing what's going on and know what the problem is.
You're going to learn to communicate your values to others so they can finally understand what their opportunity is.
And lastly, we're going to teach you how to attract your ideal client so that you can start building a legitimate career that you're proud of, where people are eager to pay you well for your help.
The seminar is delivered live online, so you're going to be able to take this information in on your couch at home or at the gym that you work at.
By the time the seminar is over, you'll be on your way to differentiating yourself from other fitness pros. We'll teach you how. We've done it with thousands of other coaches.
All you have to do is register, show up, and learn.
It's time to take the next step with Active Life. Turn pro.
Turn pro.
Turn pro.